What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I have a day trading recap for you with a live trade on JMU. Alright guys, before we jump into this, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the content, and also smash that like button. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate you subscribing and checking into the channels, and I love talking with you guys in the comment section. Thank you very much for all the posts. Keep it coming. Let's keep talking about stocks. Now, let's jump right on into this. Right now, I'm staring at VTL. I was hoping that we would get another test of this area down here at 46, but we just got one, and then it bounced real nice, man. I mean, that's a nice move already from 46 to 57. I really wish I would have, been able to take a position down here even at 48, but it just gave that one bounce, just that one test, and bam. I was hoping then once we set this little pivot here at 52, we might come back down here and test again, but no dice, at least not yet. Might get to trade it later on this afternoon, or might not. This might just be it for it. It kind of sucks to miss out. I feel like this week I've missed out on every big move, and just doesn't feel good. I know the last 3 weeks or so I caught some real nice movers, but not too happy, guys. Anyways, I did get one good trade today on JMU, and I do have it recorded, so we're going to play that here in a second. I did not trade this, this push here, but I did trade this pullback. I got long on this VWAP break right here, and I added as we started to squeeze because I thought 3 million in float stock, we're going to just go. We're going to go. We break VWAP. We break this, 247 pivot, and we're going to go. So I added on this candle here as we had volume increasing. And I thought, okay, boom, I'm going to take some profit off at, right here at 260 and hold the rest for a $3 test. Maybe take some off at 290. So that's what I did. But look at this choppy action. Even on the candles, on the volume candles. Look at these volume candles. Just chop. It's really choppy. It is a green trade. I do have it recorded. Let me see. So here I am. I'm in 500 shares as my starter right here on this VWAP break. I'm looking to add over to, as we get to 250. This was a 5-minute trade, but we're not going to play this for 5 minutes. So let's fast forward real quickly here. Let's see. So here we see that the volume is starting to increase. So I thought I added in the next candle, but no, I add because I see the volume is really starting to increase. So I'm thinking 3 million in float stock. Nothing else is popping off big. This is going to be the one. This is going to be the one to go today. So I added, and now I'm just holding. My stop is down here by the 9 EMA. And now I'm looking to take some profit off in front of 260. So I prepare an order in this montage here pretty soon to put an order out on the ask, sell 500 shares at 255, and then hold on the rest, the other 500 shares, for a move up to $3. My average is about 248, 250, I think, on that last, well, 246 on 1,000 shares, but when I keep that other 500 shares, I think it's 249, something like that. So I'm thinking 50-cent run on that 500 share, that's a nice $250 win right there, right? I'm already up like $60 on the day because I sell my first 500 shares here on the ask at 255, so I'm up 60 something dollars. If I can sell that last 500 shares for a nice 50-cent win, that puts me up $300 on the day. It's solid, trading day. But it's not the action we get. See here, I'm getting ready to put out that ask, and I did. I'm already filled 500 shares. So now I'm basically looking to hold on to these 500 shares with the stop kind of like a break even and watch for a big push. So, we get this kind of weak action there. I'm not liking it too much. We're having a lot of trouble at 255. If you notice, we haven't budged from there. 255 shows its face again, and we have a big sell order here at 30,000 shares at 257, 255 holding up as resistance. Lots of sell orders at 255. I try to get out some more at 255 because I just didn't like this action here. didn't get that fill, so I stop out as we start to kind of retreat back down here. Break even. So green trade. The stock doesn't do much more. So yeah, here we are. Doesn't do much more. We hit a high at 273, but really choppy, really choppy action. And then we're kind of like rolling over. Now we're all the way back down to 238. So I definitely feel like I did the right thing, because maybe with this chop fest, I would have gotten some out here at 270s and held on to that last 250 shares, you know, breaking it in half there, looking for that $3 test. So regardless, I was going to leave this trade profitable like I did today. But, I mean, nothing to write home about, guys. Nice little solid little trade there. Then we got VTL here. I was looking earlier to get long this VTL. Whoops. Let me fix this for you here. I was looking long earlier after that trade to get long this VTL here in front of 39 cents because it was this previous high of the morning and we were holding it as support, and I should have gotten long there. Had I gotten long there 5,000 shares, let's say, ideally I would have wanted 10,000, but let's say I would have gotten 5,000 shares, 39 cents. Look at that push all the way to 60 bucks. Heartbreak, right? Then I wanted to see if we can get a retest of this 46 area, make sure it was support. Would have been a nice move there. Missed that one too. Maybe I'll get a trade on it later. Maybe not. We'll see how it decides to behave over lunchtime. It's 11:30 a.m. right now as we film this, so I don't really want to trade this during lunch. So maybe I'll trade it after lunch and see what's going on with that. We'll keep an eye on it. If I do trade it, maybe I'll do another video if it's worthy of a video. If not, I will definitely post about it on Twitter. Check the description section below. You'll see all my social media links there. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and I'm not sure if I have Facebook on there, maybe. But you can definitely follow me on Twitter, Instagram. It's down there in the description section. As well as all the links to my scanners and stuff like that. So if you have any questions about those, drop them in the comments section. I'll be happy to review them with you. These trade idea scanners are awesome, extremely customizable, and I'll be happy to help you with them. I also have a coupon code down there in the description for these, as well as my special link that would take you over, my referral link that will take you over to trade ideas. How did you do today? Drop it in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded. VTL, JMU. Let me know. Maybe you got a piece of something else that I didn't see. I was also watching TROV and CNET, but they didn't do much. So no, you know, I didn't take any trades on that. Oh yeah, let me show you my orders. Haven't done that yet, have I? Here are my orders. JMU bought 241 on that VWAP break earlier that I showed you, added at 249. Then I put my stop order out. I sold some at the ask here at 255 and then stopped out the rest at 250. Nice little green trade, not bad. Hopefully next week will be better, or maybe I can get a piece of this VTL later on in the afternoon. Keep it on watch, and I'll catch you on the next video.